morning guys, thanks for tuning in again. Today I will be visiting Santa Bárbara de Samaná. As you can see, each stop has its own luggage compartment. The trip will take 2.5 hours and the price was 500 pesos. The trip starts off with some beautiful views. Check out this security guys, no jokes around here. Right here you can see the famous colorful houses of the north of the Dominican Republic. Very nice. Alright guys, welcome in the colorful Samaná. It seems like everybody wants to give you a ride with the motorbikes. And the motorbikes they have here are not the ones in Holland. My apartment is not so far from here. It's like a 5-minute walk, so I would rather walk and enjoy the sight. I'm gonna walk along the sea. There's a nice Mustang passing by. Check this out guys. I can already see some tourists. Let's check out this rusty tower. Very nice, very nice. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the Airbnb. Besides the kitchen, we've got this beautiful view. Unfortunately, it started raining, guys, but the show must go on. Let's see if we can make our first friend. Nah, he's not having it. I don't know what to think about the situation, guys. I'll leave that for you. We've got some random goats here. I've actually seen a Pakistani restaurant selling goat meat. I might check it out later. So this is Cayacoa beach. It's the beach right next to the bridge, and it's not the most beautiful beach, but hey, it's much better than Holland, right? Okay, let's see if the dog wants to be a friend. It started raining again, guys, but like I said, what has to be done has to be done. So this is the beginning of the bridge with Playa Cayacoa on the right. Let's take a walk. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Looks like the weather is getting better, guys. Okay guys, this is the end of the bridge. There's some kind of sketchy trail that goes down probably to the beach, but I don't recommend it. It's very dangerous. I tried it out and I can say the trail is uneven and very tight. We're back in the village, and as you can see, there's a big fight going on. This is actually quite normal, guys. The dogs in the Dominican Republic are extremely energetic. And now they're after me. Poor doggy got some injuries. Looks like she's very confused, like shouldn't we be fighting? Alright guys, I'm back at the hotel and look at this. Another monster. I've got a cold and I'm very tired, so I just hope to see you next time, guys. Ciao ciao.